Lahore is a city of unrivaled charm. With buildings and structures from the centuries-long rule of the Mughal dynasty, the city was carefully protected by mammoth walls that were punctuated with 13 passageways. These passages were guarded by gates, each with a distinct purpose and architectural personality. Common to all gates was the larger-than-life quality that continues to tell their tale even today. The walled city changed over time, grew, or even shrunk, depending on invasions, droughts, and famines in the countryside. The city reveals its design as an irregular trapezium shape consisting of 460 acres of land. It has a circumference of 3 miles perforated with 13 openings. The Roshnai Gate, or the Gate of Light. This gate is between the Royal Mosque and the fort. Being the principal entrance from the fort to the city, it was most frequented by the courtiers, royal servants, and their retinues. The houses and streets around the gate were profusely lit up at night. Hence it was called the Gate of Light or the Gate of Splendor. The Kashmiri Gate, so called because it faces north towards Kashmir. There is also a big beautiful college for girls located here. The Khizri Gate. At the time when the river flowed by the city walls, this gate provided access to the ferry. The gate was therefore named Khizri, after the name of Khizr Ilyas, the patron saint of running waters and streams, and the discoverer of the water of immortality. This gate is also known as the Sherawala Gate, or the Gate of the Lions. It was made by Maharaja Ranjit Singh. After its completion, Singh placed 2 live lions or shers in cages at the gate as a symbolic gesture to warn any invader. Akbari and Masti gates were unable to endure the test of time, but their spirit survives. The Delhi Gate was once the main and only road from Lahore to Delhi. It was built during the Mughal era. This gate, being a prominent one, witnessed a lot of incidents during the riots of independence. However, today the gate has been renovated and exists in its former glory. Many historical places such as Shahi Hammam, Masjid Wazir Khan, and a number of old Havelis are situated inside this gate. The Akbari Gate, named after Mughal Emperor Akbar, who built the town and fort. Close to this gate, the emperor also founded a market named after him, called Akbari Mandi. The Masti Gate is positioned just behind the Lahore fort. Its actual name is Masjid Gate. As further down the street is located one of the city's oldest mosques, the Mosque of Maryam Zamani Begum, named after the mother of Jahangir Maryam Zamani. Only a little trace of this gate in its renovated form can still be seen among the wholesale shoe sellers who now dominate the area. Wazir Khan Mosque. The Wazir Khan Mosque is situated in a thickly populated but culturally vibrant locality in the heart of the walled city. It stands out as one of the 2 most spacious mosques in Lahore, the other being the Badshahi Masjid. The builder of this mosque was the Chiniot-born Hakim Alimuddin Ansari, who is known in history as Nawab Wazir Khan, a title bestowed upon him by Emperor Shah Jahan. The most remarkable among his contributions to Mughal architecture was the Wazir Khan Mosque, which reflects a blend of Persian and Indian styles of architecture. Its foundation stone was laid by the Nawab in AD 1634, close to the tomb of Sayyid Muhammad Ishaq bin Shahryar, better known as Hazrat Miran Badshah. The construction of the mosque was completed in 1635. These exquisite gates, like every other nook and corner of this majestic city, appear as if with a magical past, demanding to be remembered.